Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Jenkins latest stable version on RHEL 9, but the process is same on RHEL 8 or 9. So first open the web browser, then go to Jenkins official website, that is jenkins.io. Click on documentation, then click on installing Jenkins, then select Linux, then see here Jenkins installers are available for several Linux distributions. Okay, see here we have the RHEL and derivatives. See the prerequisites are, these are minimum prerequisites and these are the recommended. Okay, and the software requirement is we must have the Java installed. So verify the version of the Java that we have to install. Right click on this Java requirements, open link in the new tab. Wait, see for the latest release we must have 17 or 21. Okay, so first verify whether we have the Java installed or not. Go to the terminal, type Java -- version. See, we don't have Java, so install latest version. So I am going to install this Java 21. So open new tab, go to oracle.com, click on products. See here we have the Java, so click on it, then click on download Java. See here I have the Java JDK. If you are unable to find version here, you have to click on this archives. There you will find the older versions. Okay, so click on Java JDK 21, then select Linux, then for RHEL or Fedora or Alma Linux or Oracle Linux we have to download this x64 RPM package. Okay, so download this JDK 21 Linux x64 bin.rpm package. Click on it. See, download started and its size is about 188 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Go to the terminal, cd downloads ls. See here we have the JDK 21 RPM package. We have to install it. Sudo rpm-ivh, then give JDK, give the tab to autofill entire RPM package and hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now verify the version of the Java. See, we have installed Java JDK 17. Okay, so this file is not required anymore. Give rm, give JDK, give the tab, hit enter. We have cleared the space. Now go to here, then go up, click on this RHEL. See, now we have to run these commands one by one. See here we have two options, long-term release and weekly release. Long-term support release is the recommended one. Okay, so copy these commands one by one to install. So first we are going to import the repo. Paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now import this signing, import this key, paste it, hit enter. Now upgrade, sudo mr dnf upgrade, hit enter. It is done. Control A. Now install the, see, we have already installed Java JDK, no need to run this command. So install the Jenkins, sudo mru dnf, either is fine, dnf install Jenkins, hit enter. See, it is going to install Jenkins 2.492. Type a see, we have successfully installed Jenkins 2.492. Control A. Now reload the daemon, sudo systemctl daemon -reload, hit enter. It is done. Now verify the status of the Jenkins service. Sudo systemctl status Jenkins. See, we have installed Jenkins but it is not started. Also verify the version, Jenkins -- version. See, we have installed Jenkins 2.492.2. Now start the Jenkins service. Sudo systemctl start Jenkins. we have started successfully. See, we have started Jenkins, but it is disabled. Enable it, sudo systemctl enable Jenkins. It is done. Now verify again. See, we have started and it is enabled. We took it and see here, this is the initial password. See, this is the initial password which is required to connect to Jenkins, or you can also get it. Control A. Now connect to Jenkins. Go to the bottom. See here, this is the URL to connect to Jenkins. Copy this one, new tab, paste it, hit enter. See, now we have to provide the administrator password. Copy this link, go to the terminal. See, this is the password that we have to give here. We took it, more, paste the command, hit enter. See, we must run this with sudo. See, this password, both are same. Copy it, paste it, click on continue. Not now. Now customize Jenkins. See here we have two options: install suggested plugins or select plugins to install. I am going to install the suggested plugins. Select it and click on it. See, plugins installation has been started. Okay, this will take time. Again, I am requesting you, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Now we have to create the first admin account. So I am giving username as administrator, then provide the password. Remember this password and username. Then give the full name. Name can be anything, Jenkins administrator. Then provide email. Then click on save and continue. See, this is the Jenkins URL. Click on save and finish. Start using Jenkins. See, we got the Jenkins dashboard. Now if you go to here and if you run the same status command, this password will be not there. Let me see, that password is gone. Okay, so go to dashboard. See here we have new item, build history, manage Jenkins, my views, build queue, etc. And see here the options: create job, set up an agent, configure cloud, etc. information is there. Okay, now go to manage Jenkins. See here we have different tools like system, tools, plugins, nodes, clouds, appearance. Okay, and security, credentials, etc. options are there. Okay, go to plugins. If you want to see the available plugins, click on here. You can search for the plugins and select it and click on install. Okay, it is up to you. If you want to see the installed plugins, go to this section. See, these are the list of the plugins installed. Okay, now go back to manage plugins. If you want to change, create user or change the password, click on users. Now click on create user. Or if you want to modify the properties of this administrator user, click on it. Then security. Here you can provide the new password. Or click on this administrator or the user. Then security. Then you will come to the same page. Okay. Now go to dashboard. Now we will see what will happen if you stop the Jenkins service. Go to terminal, control L, sudo systemctl stop Jenkins. Hit enter. It is stopped. Let us verify the status. See, Jenkins is inactive or dead. You took it. Now reload this page. This won't work. See, unable to connect. Okay. So to connect Jenkins service must be up and running. So start it again. Verify the status of the Jenkins. See, Jenkins service is started 1 second ago. Now reload this page. Now we have to give the new username and password. Then click on sign in. See, we have successfully connected. But here we connected with localhost. We can also connect with hostname. Qt hostname. Hostname is localhost. Okay. So if you have some other name for the hostname, then you can give the hostname. Or you can give the IP of the machine. ifconfig. See, this is the IP. Copy it. New tab. Paste it. Give the port number 8080. Hit enter. You got sign in page. Okay. The otherwise you can connect by using loopback IP because Jenkins installed machine. So 8080, hit enter. See, you got the same console. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure Jenkins latest stable version, that is 2.492 on RHEL 9. For more Jenkins tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.